corresponding to the establishment of the primal set of polarities at either end of the Maury tube, are the first two nodal points of galactic evolutionary consciousness. These are known as the two galactic equatorial light gates. At the centrifugal extremity of the galactic equatorial line of force is the third gate of light, the night gate of cosmic dreaming. Night is the third seal of authority of the archetype of the dreamer. It is at the equatorial centrifugal extremity that dreaming evolves and expands into the power of love. The power of love evolves matter into the stabilizing force of cosmic consciousness. This is a centrifugal process where the electrical charges of the hyperneutron and the Dumkuali galactic heat combine to create the superconscious force of cosmic love. The centripetal extremity of the galactic equatorial line of force is the fourth gate of light, the seed gate of cosmic awareness. Seed is the fourth seal of authority of the archetype of the innocent. It is at the center of the equatorial centripetal extremity that awareness evolves and internalizes into the power of intelligence. The power of intelligence is evolved spirit into the dynamizing force of cosmic consciousness. This is a centripetal inward process where the electrical charges of the hyperneutron and the Duar galactic light create the subliminal force of cosmic intelligence. From the two equatorial gates of light are then evolved the next two nodal points of the evolution of cosmic consciousness, known as seats of power. The third nodal point and seat of power is that of cosmic love, for dreaming advances itself as and through love. In the Hunab 21, this seal of authority is known as the white dog of love. Dog is the 10th seal of authority of the archetype of the compassionate one. From this point is generated the ongoing power of the centrifugal force of cosmic evolution. The compassionate one holds together the second power of harmony cell, the cord of cosmic love. Love is the centrifugal force of the cosmic totality. From the centripetal light gate of cosmic awareness, the fourth nodal point of galactic consciousness, arises the seed of power of intelligence. For awareness evolves itself through intelligence. This seal of authority is known as the warrior of intelligence. Warrior is the 16th seal of authority, the seal of the archetype of the Pathfinder. From it is generated the ongoing power of the centripetal force of cosmic involution. The Pathfinder holds together the fourth power of harmony cell, the cord of cosmic intelligence. Intelligence is the centripetal force of the cosmic totality. Moving inward on the centripetal luminic line of force, we reach the first matrix portal, the Earth portal of navigation. The Earth seal of authority is the 17th, the seal of the archetype of the navigator, and provides the link between the Hunab and the cosmic intelligence. Navigation is the fulfillment of the consciousness of intelligence. From here is generated the luminic line of force that stimulates the subliminal conscious state of mind and activates the harmonic order of the centripetal force field of intelligence. On the opposite side aligned to the centrifugal line of force, we reach the third matrix portal, the storm portal of self-generation. The storm seal of authority is the 19th in the sequence of 20, the seal of the archetype of the world changer, providing the link between the Hunab and the compassionate one. Self-generation is the fulfillment of cosmic consciousness of love. From here is generated the therminic line of force that stimulates the superconscious states of mind and activates the harmonic order of the centrifugal force field of love. The seventh and central coordinating point is the Hunab 21, the central matrix universe channel, the light photon cyclone of the fifth force power. Hunab is the seal of unity of totality, the seal of the archetype of the one dweller of the cube, Magos of the infinite. From the portal of Hunab 21 is generated the hyperplasma Sirius B52, element 113, that stimulates radial states of consciousness and perception, and activates the centrifugal and centripetal force fields as the primary cosmic energies. Parallel to the galactic equatorial line of force are the two stabilizing lines of force: the art meditation vision stabilizing line of force, and the purification enlightenment timelessness stabilizing line of force. These two stabilizing lines of force provide the gravitational alignment for the four electroetheric cells and conduct the four types of hyperthermic and hyperluminic charges to the four outer harmonic cells as centrifugal and centripetal lines of force. Star Art Gate of Power is activated by the Dumkuali centrifugal thermic electric line of force. The Eagle Vision source of power is activated by the chemioluminic thermic centripetal electric line of force. The Moon Purification source of power is activated by the Dumduar centrifugal luminic electric charges, and the Wizard Timelessness Gate of Power is activated by the Cum-luminic thermic centripetal electric lines of force. The two matrix portals mediate the lines of force with energetic activations from the Hunab 21. The hyperneutron of the mirror portal of meditation, Yogi Yogini, mediates the Hunab light photon cyclone force to the Dumkuali centrifugal line of force and the chemiocentripetal line of force. The hyperelectron of the sun portal of enlightenment mediates the Hunab light photon cyclone force to the Dumduar luminic centrifugal line of force and the Cum centripetal luminic thermic electric lines of force. There are 8 diagonal axes that bind the entire structure of the Hunab grid into a unified system. The purpose of the diagonal axis is to cross-stitch the Mari tube and equatorial line of force, the different meridians and gravitational stabilizers, and the power of harmony cells. The 8 diagonals are grouped into 2 sets: the 4 outer defining diagonals and the 4 inner harmonic color diagonals. The 4 outer defining diagonals connect the 4 gates of light and define the outer template of the Hunab 21 galactic tree of life and knowledge. 1. The Night Dragon diagonal defines the upper left-hand quadrant, connects first polar and third equatorial gates of light. The Night Dragon radiates heat and possesses the waxing power of darkness. This is the axis of being dreaming. 2. The Night Wind diagonal defines the lower left quadrant, connects the third equatorial and second polar gates of light. The Night Wind intensifies light and possesses the waning power of darkness. This is the axis of dreaming spirit. 3. The Seed Wind diagonal defines the lower right-hand quadrant, connects the second polar and polar equatorial gates of light. The Seed Wind catalyzes the light heat and possesses the waxing power of light. This is the axis of spirit awareness. 4. The Seed Dragon diagonal defines the upper right-hand quadrant, connects the fourth equatorial and first polar gates of light. The Seed Dragon vitalizes the heat light and possesses the waning power of light. This is the axis of awareness being. The 4 outer light gates are defined by the 4 harmonic colors: red and white polar, blue and yellow equatorial. The 4 inner harmonic color cells are defined by being the same color at both ends. The color harmonics are defined as red initiates, white refines, blue transforms, and yellow ripens. The beginning and end of any inner diagonal is either a gate of power or a source of power. Red initiating harmonic diagonal, red serpent moon axis, connects first and second power of harmony cells. This is the sex purification axis. Its two intermediary matrix colors are white mirror and blue storm. White refining harmonic diagonal. White world bridger wizard axis. Connects first and fourth power of harmony cells. This is the death timelessness axis. Its two intermediary matrix colors are white mirror and red earth. Note, this axis has three white powers: world bridger, mirror, and wizard. Blue transforming harmonic diagonal. Blue monkey eagle axis. Connects third and fourth power of harmony cells. This is the magic vision axis. Its two intermediary colors are yellow sun and red earth. Note, the red and blue diagonals are parallel to each other and run in opposite directions, while their four intermediary colors comprise of the four portals of the matrix chord of Hunab. Yellow ripening harmonic diagonal. Yellow human star axis. Connects third and second power of harmony cells. This is the wisdom art axis. Its two intermediary colors are yellow sun and blue storm. Note, like the white diagonal which it parallels, this axis has three yellow powers: human, sun, and star. Also note that the diagonals are initiated in the polar power of harmony cells, chords of the avatar and the prophet, and concluded in the equatorial power of harmony cells, chords of the compassionate one and the pathfinder. Meditate upon the symmetry of the matrix of the Hunab 21. Note also that each of the diagonals is connected by 3 heptad paths each, for a total of 24 heptad paths. This means the vertical axis and the latitudinal lines of force account for the other 28 heptad paths. Also observe how the 4 inner diagonals define the 9 constituting tetrads of the master tetrad.